Yeah, by trade, I'm an electrician. That right there is Big Bertha. Boy, I can't wait till I get my truck build done. I have to put all this stuff in my car, man. Big boy drill here, man. And you know what I need? I need like one of them cameras I can put on my forehead or something, man. Alright, gang, we back. Alright, so we finna try to get started this. That right there is Big Bertha. Now, Big Bertha, she got a lot of power. So what we do with Big Bertha, let me show y'all. That's an auger bit. And that's a wood auger bit. That's what we use. That's the type of bit we use to drill through the studs. Big Bertha got a lot of torque. So I'm gonna try to show y'all how to drill with Big Bertha with one hand. But it might be a little dangerous, man. But let's see. I'm gonna show y'all, man. Whenever you're drilling your holes, you want to try to get in the center of your stud. Big Bertha, she early in the morning, man. Woo! She a little grouchy, man. Look, I'm gonna go ahead on and drill all these holes out, man, cause it's gonna take two of these hands to handle Big Bertha, man. But I'm gonna drill these holes, and we're gonna get back. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Drilled out. As you can see all this sawdust and stuff on the floor. All the holes are drilled out. As you can see. Holes drilled on the wall, so we gotta run that. So we're gonna be running that 14 2-wire all the way from over there. We gotta run a power all the way through there, and then we're gonna feed into this switch box. We're gonna bring the power in here, and then we're gonna come out here. We're gonna feed all these plugs with the power. Get those hot, and then we're gonna come back out of the switch with what we call a switch leg, and that what controls the light. So we'll come up here, go through the hole, we'll come out, then we're gonna come into the light right there. That's gonna be have in this box is a hot coming over here. It's a hot. All right, so we gotta come out of that box and go up and out, and all the way over there to that room to get a hot in there, and then we can start running our switch legs. I'll start running the switch legs for the light, for them two lights. They'll be tied together, and this switch here will be powering those two lights, and then our power in there, we have a power feed in there, in which that switch will be powering the light that's inside there. So I want to show y'all how I usually set up my pulling my wire. So 14-2 here. So it's a way that you open this. Now you don't open the whole bag when you running these. You flip that over, and as you see, excuse me, as you see in the bag, you got that one right there. Pull that out, and it'll unravel. All right, never take the plastic off. If you take the plastic off, you're gonna have a mess on your hand. Alright, so what I did, I drilled a hole through the roof, because if you see, that's the top of the roof, but now that's gonna be the top of the roof. So that's actually gonna be like a sort of kind of the attic now. So what I do, take that wire, I'm gonna go through the roof with it. All the way this way. my length, so I know that I have enough. Come all the way across here. So what I do, that show me I don't have enough, so I put a little bit more. And then I know I got enough. Now we'll run through the attic. Alright, gang, so we got all that pulled, got that back in there, back scrapped up, all the new stuff, pulled up through the ceiling, y'all can see, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, so now we got the switch leg that is coming from the switch, goes up. Then it jumps from that light and goes to that light. And then you see the other wire is the hot. That is the hot leg that's coming all the way up here. Got stapled off there. And that is coming down into the light switch. Alright, so next, what we're going to do, we're going to come out that light switch with a hot. We're going to hit all these plugs. Get all these plugs. Alright. So get all these plugs done. I'm gonna staple them. And we'll be done. Alright. Get back in a minute. Alright, gang. Now we're back. We're getting ready to pull us a little wire. Let me just show you how we usually pull the wire. Alright. So like I showed y'all about the wire bag. Never take the wire out that bag. You'll be in trouble. Anyway. So we're gonna go here. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, man, just kind of give y'all a little idea, man, of what we do. Alright. What we do, let me get the screwdriver out here. And we put our wire in there. I always give you enough slack when you make all your taps, when you put your plugs and everything together. And so we'll clean all that up. We'll get all this wire, and I'll be back. Alright, D.I.Y. gang, we back, man. Look, we got the wiring done. Let me just show y'all the wiring, how it looked before we staple everything. It probably looks a little messy and everything right now, but we're gonna staple everything, get it cleaned up. I want to show y'all something. On some places where you have to wire up, it's gonna be hard getting your wires into different places. For example, right here, see how many pieces of wood they got. So usually we will want to go in through here and come out here. That saves you on a lot of your wiring. But in this instance, or rather in this case, you cannot do that. So what I had to do, I was able to get in through here. You see, had to cut through there, get in there. That was not an easy job. So we had to wind up going over, up and over. Okay. Up and over to get over here to that plug. And then we went through the wall, get to that plug. And the same thing over here. See, you see where I tried to drill in there, but there wasn't no way for me to get my bit in there. So we had to go up and over. Up and over. Down that plug. From that plug. As you can see, I was able to get in through there. And go that plug. So the next clip I'm gonna show y'all is the clip of me stapling everything up. Let me show y'all staples. Right. So these are the staples that you would use. And I like to use the 9/16 because 9/16 allow you to have multiple. You can put multiple Romex, which is your wire, and this is your staple. This is what your staple is like. So we're gonna staple these up, man, and when we get back, I'm gonna show y'all finished product. Alright, gang. So now I can show you the finished product. Let's see, we got everything stapled off. You see, everything cleaned up. Remember how it looked before? And stapled off. Stapled off real good. Across. Yeah, man. Yeah. Tell the difference once you staple it off, clean it up. That's what the inspectors be looking at. They be looking at is it secure, cleaned up. Yeah, man. We on it. But anyway, man, that's about the wrap up of the whole thing, man. As you see, got the light up in there, light wires ran. See the carport. Thing ran. Yeah, man. It's a done deal. This is a done deal. Only thing else I gotta do is I gotta refoam those holes. Cause y'all remember I had to pull all the old wires back out. Cause I had to redo everything. But I refoam them holes. And that will be it. Yeah, man. That's it for the day, man. Man, I appreciate y'all, man. Let me give me a little like, man. So y'all see me, man. I ain't that dog. Anyway. But, man, I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Checking out D.I.Y with the Richardsons, man. And next time, man, y'all see us, man, I'll show y'all how to start putting some plugs and switches in, man. Yeah. People think that it's easy, man. But we got some 3-way switches in there. If you don't know what you're doing on 3 ways, you have it all messed up. But anyway, man, we appreciate y'all, man. I want to ask y'all again, man, to like, share, subscribe, man. Hit that thumbs up button, man. Hit that notification bell, man. Man, and just, you know, just show your boy some love. Your boy and his family some love, man. D.I.Y with the Richardsons, man. I appreciate y'all.